Everyone says pay off debt first, but the math shows they're completely wrong in these three situations. Hundreds of you asked this exact question after our emergency fund video, so today we break it down. You'll get a framework you can use no matter your finances and discover how sticking to conventional wisdom could cost you tens of thousands of dollars. One, most people say, just pay off all your debt before you invest. It's safe advice, but it's not always optimal. High interest debt, yes, pay it down. Low interest debt, maybe not. And inflation plus market returns can change the math dramatically. By the end, you'll understand that this popular slogan can actually cost you money and opportunity. Quick question, what debts are you carrying right now? Drop the interest rates in the comments so we can customize this framework for you. 2. This is our framework. That's your go-no-go rule. Invest versus pay off debt based on your unique interests. 3. When your debt rate is above 10%, mathematically, paying off debt is the clear winner. $5,000 balance at 22% interest. That's $1,100 in interest in just 1 year. Even if you invested that money, you'd earn around $350 after tax and inflation. Personal loan example. $10,000 at 12% interest. You'll rack up $1,200 in interest in year 1. Investing wouldn't even come close. That's scenario 1 down. 2 more game changers coming. 4. Mortgage example. After 30 years, that's around $449,000. Extra mortgage payment reduces interest, but doesn't grow like that. You end up about $660,000 richer by investing instead of overpaying your mortgage early. Student loan example. $30,000 at 4% fixed. Investing early, especially with compound interest, can outperform paying it off early by a wide margin. Before I show you scenario 3, tell me in the comments which debt you wish you could invest instead of paying off. 5. That's where a hybrid strategy can be powerful. Split income, half to investing, half to paying debt. Example. Pay $400 extra toward debt, $400 invested into an IRA or index fund. At year end, you've chipped away at debt and benefited from compound gains. Over 5 years, you'll build an investment balance and reduce your debt significantly. That flexibility helps psychologically too. You feel progress on both fronts. That's the heart of our decision framework, but let's walk through the full plan next. 6. Here's a step-by-step action plan you can bookmark. List all debts with balances, interest rates, and terms. Compare each debt's rate to that return. Categorize debts. Over 8% debt payoff first. Under 5% invest first. Allocate discretionary cash accordingly. Debt buckets get extra payments. Investing buckets get contributions to 401k, IRA, or taxable brokerage. Track progress monthly, adjust if debts are paid off or interest rates change. Rinse and repeat, and revisit every 6 months. Quick question. What investment account are you using right now? Let me know so I can tailor the end-to-end strategy. 7. Let's walk through 3 real examples you might relate to. Case A, Maya credit card debt. Balance, $7,000 at 20%. Maya puts $1,000 SMO toward debt, pays off in 8 months, saves over $2,000 in interest. Case B, James, new home buyer, $230,000 mortgage at 3. After 30 years, he ends up roughly $600,000 ahead in his portfolio versus accelerating mortgage payoff. Case C, Sarah, mixed strategy, $12,000 personal loan at 6%, $8,000 student loan at 5%. She earns a side hustle and splits $700, $350 to debt, $350 to investing. Over 10 years, debt-free, and owns $50,000 in investments. She stays motivated because she sees progress in both areas. 8. These 5 mistakes trip people up. Mixing pre-tax and after-tax comparisons. Ignoring tax benefits like mortgage interest deduction. Underestimating inflation's impact. Remember, this isn't just math. It's also about what keeps you consistent and motivated.